Hello guys, welcome back. Today we have a game special. That's right, I'm going to be checking out a bunch of ROM files for a bunch of games. Most of these games I haven't even played yet. So I'm also gonna be playing them for the first time, and then we're gonna see how the ROM files sound like in Binary Waterfall, of course. Let's do this thing, my friends. First of all, we have Ace Attorney. From what I've seen, this is like a lawyer game, like Saul Goodman game, where you go and you do the law and you save the people from the jail. Let's see, I wanna play this. Melon DS. Ready? Open ROM. Noel Party. New game. How do I control this? What do you mean non? This is not set up? Come on. Will this work with Xbox controller? Okay, this plugged in, but it is not working. Joystick Xbox One controller. Come on, do I have to do this manually? Okay, this is set up. Let's go. So the first turnabout. Okay, confirm. She dead. Damn it. Why me? Can't get caught. Not like this. I've got to find someone to pin this on. Someone like him. I'll make it look like he did it. August 3rd, 9:47 AM. District Court, Defendant Lobby number 2. Oh, we Saul Goodmaning. Boy, am I nervous. Right. Oh, hiya, Chief. Ooh, I'm glad I made it on time. Well, I have to say, Phoenix, I'm impressed. It's over. My life, everything. It's all over. Isn't that your client screaming over there? Death, despair. Oh. Sounds like he wants to die. Give me the death. Give me the death sentence. I ain't afraid to die. My name is Phoenix Wright. Here is the story. First case is a fairly simple one. A young woman was killed in her apartment. The guy they arrested was the unlucky sap dating her, Larry Boots, my best friend since grade school. Our school had a saying, when something smells, it's usually the boots. The boots? Wait, it's all good manning. The court is now in session for the trial of Mr. Larry Butt. The prosecution is ready, Your Honor. The defense is ready, Your Honor. Mr. Wright, this is your first trial, is it not? Yes, Your Honor. I'm a little nervous. Your conduct during this trial will decide the fate of your client. Murder is a serious charge. For your client's sake, I hope you can control your nerves. Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Wright, given the circumstances, I think we should have a test to ascertain your readiness. Yes, Your Honor. The test will consist of a few simple questions. Answer them clearly and concisely. Please state the name of the defendant in this case. Okay, Phoenix Wright. No, that's me, right? That's right? That's me, no? 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 Maybe? Larry Boots or Mia Fey. Guys, I don't know. Larry Boots. Defendant? Well, that's Larry Boots, Your Honor. Correct. Just keep your wits about you and you'll do fine. Our next question. This is a murder trial. Tell me, what is the victim's name? Phoenix, are you absolutely sure you're up to this? You don't even know the victim's name? Oh, the victim. Of course I know the victim's name. I just forgot temporarily. I think I feel a migraine coming on. Oh look, the victim's name is listed in the court record. Just touch the court record button to check it at any time, okay? Remember to check it often. Do it for me, please. I'm begging you. Oi. Okay, evidence, attorney's badge. Cindy's autopsy report received from Mia Fey. Cindy, I guess? Cinder block. Cindy Stone. The victim's name is Cindy Stone. Correct. Now tell me, what was the cause of death? She died because she was blunt trauma. Oi, she hit in the blunt? Hit with a blunt object. She was struck once by a blunt object. Correct. You've answered all my questions. I see no reason why we shouldn't proceed. You seem much more relaxed, Mr. Wright. Good for you. Thank you, Your Honor. Well then, first, a question for the prosecution. Mr. Payne? Yes, Your Honor? As Mr. Wright just told us, the victim was struck with a blunt object. Would you explain to the court just what that object was? The murder weapon was this statue of the Tinker. It was found lying on the floor, right next to the victim. I see. The court accepts it into evidence. Right. Be sure to pay attention to any evidence added during the trial. That evidence is the only ammunition you have in court. Touch the court record button to check the court record frequently. Mr. Payne, prosecution may call its first witness. The prosecution calls the defendant, Mr. Butts, to the stand. Okay guys, this game is actually cool. You know, maybe I will just start like a live stream thing and just play games on there, cause why not? I'm gonna do a save state, and now let's see how this thing sounds like. Let's see if I can find any sound effect. Ooh. Whoa. Yes, the void. The void. Ooh. Whoa. There was something. Yeah. Well, what could be the correct settings for this? I'm gonna try 16-bit and just 44.1. If anything, I think more Chipmunk side now. Hang on, Nintendo DS is a 32-bit system. So 32-bit, I guess, maybe. No, that's probably no. That probably doesn't apply to the audio. Some DS games uses 32, 768 Hz, 16-bit and stereo, and some use this. MVP. Let's try those. 32, 768, 16-bit and stereo. Mono 8-bit 11.025. I've got a good feeling about this. Yeah, there is clear objection in there. Moving on. For the next game, we have Toy Story 3, and it's again on the Nintendo DS. Become a gamer! Hell yeah! Story mode.
Hey, this should come in handy.
Hey, this will come in handy. Oh no, the breach! The poor breach! I'm winning somehow. I don't know what I'm doing. No, not very good. Okay, let's see how this sounds like. It's crusty, but it's there. I wonder if I could get it even better. I think that's a little bit better. Next up we have Pokemon. I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon Go. Pokemon Black and White. Okay, new game. Hi there! Welcome to the world of Pokemon. My name is Professor Juniper. Everyone calls me the Pokemon Professor. You're a boy, right? Yes, yes. Your name, age. Your name is H. Yes. Your name's H. What a wonderful name. Hey, you. Hello. This is out of the blue, but H, do you want to have a Pokemon? Yes. Okay, step 1 completed. Well then, do you know what the Pokédex is? Yes. No, you would. No, I don't know. I was kidding. Tell me. Isn't it amazing how it automatically records Pokemon you encounter? You want the Pokédex, right? No. I don't mean to be selfish, but I'd like it if you were a bit more agreeable. You want the Pokédex? No. Okay, sure. I'll take the Pokédex. Yes. Okay, step 2 completed. H. Your course of action has been set. Do you know how to open your bag? No. Back, H, save, options. Okay, let's see how this sounds like. It's actually interesting because this is like 280 megs. There's a lot of stuff in here. Ah, here are some sound effects, I think. Neat. Pokemon Kaizo White 2. What is your name? Your name? Onietu. Okay, yes. Hyuk 2. It's the same game. What's different about this? It's literally the same game. They opened the same file accidentally? I don't know. Oh, Pokemon White version. Oh well. It's Binary Waterfall it up. Wow, that's a screen. I've been told that this is like an empty space on the ROM. A lot of it. Next I would like to try a GBA file. Let's do Mario Kart. Mario Kart Super Circuit TM. Let's do quick run 150cc random, of course. That's me. Oh, it gave me Toad. Okay, let's go. Good start. God damn it. Not very good at this, guys. Oh, 7th. Not last anymore. Get wrecked. 6th. 7th again. It's because it gave me Toad. Okay. Let's see if we can find some interesting stuff in this file. Oh yeah, too fast, so lower. I'm learning, guys. I'm just a little bit slow. Bear with me. Bingo! Oh, it is probably the best. Or maybe? Maybe if I do 16 and lower. That sounds better. Now just gotta lower this even more. There we go, guys. We got the sounds. Bingo! I think it's a little bit too slow now. Now it's too fast.
Bingo!
I think that's about right. With 16 bit and 5000 Hz, give or take. Music is maybe encoded in some other way, but the sound effects are definitely here. Let's try some SNES now. Got Super Mario World. I know this game, I've even played this game a little bit. Let's go. But I don't know how to run. I found it, okay. I'm here. Hey! Gaming, guys, gaming. God damn it. I'm not good at this. I am very bad at this. No, I am good at this. I am the best player of this game ever conceived. That's what you have to tell yourself. See, and then you will be good. Secret? Yes. Gaming. Come on. Yes. Alright, let's hear this thing. This will be quite. Let's do like 9,000. I don't know, it's gonna have to be like very tiny. 1,000. It is low-key terrifying. Right, well, today we managed to actually get something to play successfully, which is very nice. Yeah, I hope again that this was interesting for you, maybe even funny. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.